Hi there, welcome to Neo's World, and today I have my new Christmas present, and it's here in a flash. Oh, guess what? Merry Christmas to all of you. My Christmas present is here. This is the Insta360 X4. Guess what? It shoots now in 8K 30 FPS for the 360-degree video, as well as 5.7K 60 FPS for the 360-degree video, with ultimate detail and clarity that you want as a creator. It gives you immense flexibility and freedom to capture your shot and frame it later. Yes, because once you capture it, it is capturing the entire 360-degree environment, and you can frame it the way you want it. That's the kind of flexibility you get with the X4. I've already used the X3 and I'm an absolute fan. They say the X4 takes it to a completely different level, so can't wait to test it out. And also today I'll be showing you motorcycle mounting shots and several handheld shots to create some epic content for your beloved audience. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. First, let's unbox this in 3, 2, 1 with a snap. Here is the powerhouse of a weapon, made even better, sturdier and stronger. It gets a 4K 60 FPS single lens mode. It also gets removable lens guard. It's waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet. Experience the power of 8K clarity. The active HDR mode brings vivid colors to life like never before. What's more, you can also vlog with this camera with the 4K 60 FPS single lens mode. We get a 2290 mAh battery, which accounts for 67% longer runtime. And what's more, you also get active wind reduction for all you motovloggers out there. We also now get a 2.5-inch super bright touchscreen user interface secured by Corning Gorilla Glass to offer supreme high resolution during broad daylight while also offering great protection. So we've had enough of the theory. Let's go outside and capture some real action shots.
Now, talking about the best camera angles for your motorcycle vlogs, first thing is the helmet mount. As you can see, this is how you mount your Insta360 X4 using the J hook and the adhesive mount, and then this is the field of view you get. Extremely wide field of view. Again, the best part with Insta360 is it captures the entire 360-degree scenario or scene for you. You can frame the shot using the Insta360 Studio app or software on your PC or laptop. You can visit their website for that, for framing. It's all about setting up the keyframes. But then you have the chest mount option, where you have chest harness and you mount your Insta360 in place like what you saw in the video. And then this is the angle that you get. Again, very good field of view. Now the handlebar, the speedometer, the road ahead, the skies, everything is beautifully laid out, and no filter has been added here to enhance the color palette, just that you get the exact footage straight out of the camera and the actual color signs that you get straight out of the camera. You can again play around with it by color grading it. This is again the grab rail mount, so you could see the grab rail mount. And again, this is using the Insta360 software, where you can actually frame it, move it around the way you want it, just to add a little bit of excitement and fresh frames for your vlogs. Again, you see, you can follow the vehicle, you can come back to your this thing, person mode, and this is how you mount it. You have protection case along with it, and mounted to the rear footrest clamp. And for the side view, this is the side view that you get once you're up and running. Please make sure you try this out only on empty stretch of roads like what I'm doing here. Don't try it out with the traffic, or you lose your hard-earned money and your Insta360 X4 in the process, because the traffic here in India. So only on wide empty roads you can try this. This is again the handlebar mount. So the handlebar mount is again pretty plain Jane. You can mount directly or you can mount it on the Insta360 selfie stick. And this is the view. Again, this is another very common view for motovlogs. People set up the helmet mount as well as the frontal mount, where you can see the rider express himself or herself. So this is again using the 360-degree Insta360 app or the software. You can play around with the keyframes, and then yeah, the color palette and the color science looks pretty good right out of the camera itself. It's not too harsh or not too contrasty. Then you have the handheld modes. Handheld modes allow you to play around on the go. Again, please be careful with your skill set. Make sure you're riding in lower gears at reasonable speeds where you can control it with the throttle, and always use your left hand and right hand on the throttle such that you have the control, and don't go way too fast. You just need to have some good, when you want to capture good scenario, good scenery like what you see in Ladakh or northeast locations where we have breathtaking scenery. You can just try different angles. One is the front on shot, the front elevated shot, the side on shot, as you can see here, the side diagonal low profile shot. So a lot of different angles you can play around with as your creative imagination allows. So that's pretty much it. This wraps up my overview and first look review of the Insta360 X4. I'm super impressed, and thanks to Insta360 India for sending this unit for review. This is for those who want their own production unit, who are solo creators, who cannot afford to keep DOPs separately. This is like you have a DOP with you. All you need to do is use the Insta360 selfie stick, mount on the X4, and you're good to go to capture some amazing creative imaginary shots to make your vlog all the more interesting and enticing and intriguing. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see and want to see more pure automobile videos, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.